Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to extend a beat in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side, left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music, and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, you have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and extend a beat in Bandlab. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So first of all, launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device as I told you at the start of this video. Then go to your library and open the project containing the beat you want to extend. So go to library at the top of the screen, and when you have a project, it will appear here. Then click on the time stretch icon above the track list. Click and hold the beat you want to extend. Then drag the right edge of the beat to extend its length. You can also adjust the playback rate from the editor tab below. Tap on the bottom right corner to apply the changes. This will extend the selected beat without affecting its pitch, allowing you to create longer sections of your track. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.